A senior ZANU-PF official who is close to President Mnangagwa and he regularly meets him has told the news hawks that the president is increasingly agonizing and anxious over who should succeed him when he goes whether in 2028 or beyond, as the clock fast ticks towards the crucial ZANU-PF annual conference in Mutare from 13 to 18 October, with the three names featuring prominently. Sarabina mashoko kudanyo kwa pangwa ina robo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Rinzi mtukamiro nyika pangwa ina ari in a state of confusion. Anyazo zoto oisani successor wake. The news akusenda mbere chete. Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander Philip Valerius Vanda, businessman tycoon kuda kwachita Gray, and ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mnangagwa. Some of Mnangagwa's allies are now also talking about First Lady Auxiliary Mnangagwa and Jacob Mudenda, the Speaker of Parliament and ZANU-PF Secretary General. The current succession matrix somewhat defies ZANU-PF's traditional ethnic and identity politics, with the new regional fault lines being the battlefront. ZANU-PF did not originate from identity politics alone, but its foundation and continued political strategy have been significantly shaped by it. Identity politics in the local context is being driven by three key factors: racialized nationalism, ethnicity, and tribal contestation and liberation entitlement. ZANU-PF has consistently exploited these dynamics to consolidate power and maintain its narrative as the nation's sole legitimate leader, although that has been widely disputed and rejected from the beginning. Although the conference is not elective, it will give pointers on the escalating succession race, with the 2027 Congress being the succession political high water mark. Insiders say Mnangagwa prefers the Congress route, as he thinks that will be the best and smoothest way to yield his successor and defeat other pretenders to the throne, particularly his bitter rival Vice President Kusandero Chiwenga, who helped remove the late former President Robert Mugabe through a coup in November 2017, and installed Mnangagwa is the president's most likely successor, although he does not want him. Chiwenga has deep military roots and powerful networks to swing it, but Sivanda, who is coming into frame, is now strongly emerging as Mnangagwa's preferred successor, followed by Gray and Mnangagwa. According to the president's close ally, Sivanda's political career and path will become more clearer from next month at the sunset of his long military career. Tomash kwa kudanyo kwa pangwa ine tuze mafumuro enyi mutu kudiva msorobe chitkwich na kuma section medu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.